In the world of modern web development, one term you will hear again and again is the MERN Stack. But what exactly it is and why is it so popular? MERN is an acronym for four powerful technologies: M for MongoDB, E for Express.js, R for React, and for Node.js. Together, they form a complete toolkit for building fast, scalable, and interactive web applications. Let's break it down. MongoDB is a flexible NoSQL database. Instead of storing data in traditional tables, it stores it in JSON-like documents, perfect for modern apps that need speed and adaptability. Next comes Express.js, a lightweight framework that works with Node.js. This is where the server-side logic lives. Things like handling requests, connecting to databases, and managing APIs. Together, Express and Node make backend development smooth and efficient. And then there's React, the star of the front end. React helps developers build beautiful dynamic user interfaces, the parts of the website you actually see and interact with. It updates pages fast without reloading, making the user experience seamless. What makes the MERN Stack truly special is that everything is built using JavaScript, from the browser to the server to the database layer. Developers don't need to switch between languages, making projects faster to build, easier to maintain, and more consistent. The MERN Stack: one language, endless possibilities.